Once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a little girl who had a very big problem. She couldn't sleep. Every night when her mom would tuck her into bed, she would tell her, "I love you, little one. Now close your eyes and go to sleep." But no matter how tired Mia was, she always found it hard to go to sleep. She would lay in her bed tossing and turning until her mom would come back to check on her. Then her mom would repeat the same words, "I love you, little one. Now close your eyes and go to sleep." And somehow those words always lulled Mia into a peaceful slumber. One night after Mia fell asleep, her pillow started to glow, and when her mom came back to check on her, this is what she saw. "Oh my goodness, where did my Mia go?" Then the pillow started to speak. "Don't worry, Mrs. Lullaby. Mia is safe with me. Every night I take her on an exciting adventure to Dreamland." "Dreamland," Mrs. Lullaby replied. "What happens there?" The pillow smiled and said, "Well, that's a secret. Each night Mia learns something new, like how to be kind to others, how to be brave when she's scared, and how to share her toys with her friends." "That sounds wonderful," said Mrs. Lullaby. "But why can't she learn those lessons here at home?" The pillow said, "Learning is fun in Dreamland because everything is magical, even this talking pillow." "I'm Mia's mom," Mrs. Lullaby replied, "and this is my daughter, Mia. We came to see what Dreamland is like." The royal pig squealed with delight. "Oh, I know who you are. You're the girl who's learning to be kind, brave and generous. Follow me. I'll show you around." He led them through fields of candy, over rivers of chocolate, and past trees made of caramel. Everything was so sweet and delicious looking, but Mia knew she couldn't eat any of it. That is because the rule in Dreamland is that you can only eat when someone else is giving you something to eat. As they walked, Mia noticed a little bunny rabbit sitting all by himself on a nearby cloud. "Why isn't he playing with everyone else?" she asked the royal pig. "He's new here and he doesn't know the rules yet," the royal pig replied. "Want to go say hi? If you can make him smile, he'll give you a prize." Mia thought for a moment. She knew that being kind to the bunny rabbit would make him happy, but it would also make her happy too. So she ran over to the bunny rabbit and asked, "What's your name?" The bunny rabbit looked up and said, "My name is Hopsalot. Why do you want to know?" Mia smiled and said, "I want to be your friend." Then they played games together, rode on a giant swing, and ate some yummy snacks that Hopsalot brought with him. And the whole time Mia felt a warm, fuzzy feeling inside. She had never felt so happy before. Suddenly, it was time to go home. Mia hugged her new friend and thanked him for the wonderful day. Just then, the royal pig presented Mia with a magical star. "This is for being such a kind friend," he said. "Use it wisely." Then the pig waved his magic wand and poof, they were back in Mia's room. The pillow was glowing again and Mia knew it was time for bed. She gave her mom a big hug and whispered, "I love you." And Mrs. Lullaby whispered back, "I love you too." Then Mia closed her eyes and drifted off to sleep, happy and peaceful at last.